Loora vs Talkpal. Let's get started. So Loora is a mobile app designed as a personal AI English tutor. It supports real-time conversation, pronunciation correction, and grammar feedback, offering natural dialogue across various real-world scenarios, from chats to interviews. Talkpal, on the other hand, is an AI-powered language learning app with a wider scope, supporting over 57 languages. It features role-play, debate, and character modes, and pronunciation feedback with real-time grammar corrections. Now let's talk about their pros. So Laura offers real-time corrections, word-by-word feedback, which is praised by users. It also has a highly rated stars, which is over 4.9, and it has a design to simulate natural English conversations. And Talkpal, on the other hand, offers a over 57 languages, which is ideal for multi-language learners and offers diverse interactive modes and also have a lot of appreciation from Reddits, and they offer handy for intermediate to advanced levels, offering conversational depth. So choose Lura if you're more focused on improving your English fluency, and choose Talkpal if you're exploring multiple languages.